Here's what you missed while you were sleeping, presented by Bedgear. Sidney Crosby left Game 3 of the Pittsburgh Penguins series against the Washington Capitals due to injury. The Caps blew a 2-0 lead in the final minutes of the game, but were able to bounce back with a Kevin Shattenkirk goal in overtime to make the series 2-1 in favor of Pittsburgh. The Houston Rockets used a dominant second quarter to rout the San Antonio Spurs in Game 1 of the Western Conference semifinals, 126-99. Houston drained 22 three-pointers in the victory. The San Francisco Giants have the worst record in the National League, but they were able to get to Clayton Kershaw, hitting 2 home runs en route to a 4-3 victory.